been up 3 days, Adderall and Red Bull. This call is a mistake. There's something strong in this water bottle. I hear you got a new chick, a dancing little Barbie doll. I feel so pathetic, but you still haven't heard it all. Fuck that new girl that you like so bad. She's not crazy like me, I bet you like that. I said fuck that new girl that's been in your bed. And when you're in her, I know I'm in your head.
Are you drunk right now?
I'm just saying you could do better. Always turned you out every time we were together.
You know I didn't mean that.
Once you had the best, boy, you can't do better.
Just come over. What are you doing?
Baby, I'm the best, so you can't do better.
Right.
I ran into your homeboys. They're all fucking idiots. You're not even my boyfriend, but they're tripping cause I'm in the club. Yeah, that's right, I'm dancing, and something cool is in my cup.